Welcome back. You're watching Round 1 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Waterford Primary on 14 points and St. Andrew Prep also on 14 points. So in the last section, the mathematics face-off, I asked the question, how many quarters are in 9.5? The answer should have been 38 and not 78. So now let's go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if the answer is incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer will have 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian Retriever clock. Teams, we begin with local affairs. This is a visual question, so please look at the monitor and identify the person. Member of Parliament Marsha Smith. Sports. In which country would you find the Brian Lara Cricket Academy? Trinidad and Tobago. Bible knowledge. Who succeeded Moses as leader of Israel? Joshua. Science. Is it the dermis or the epidermis which houses blood cells and sweat glands? Waterford.
The dermis.
Correct. English language. Spell the plural of the word leaf. St. Andrew Prep.
L-E-A-V-E-N.
Correct. Next question comes from music. What is the highest voice of the ordinary adult female range? St. Andrew Prep.
Soprano.
Correct. General knowledge. Who is the Member of Parliament for West Central St. Andrew in Jamaica? That would be the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness. Theatre. This is a visual question, so please look at the monitor and identify this actor. Tay Diggs. Mathematics. What is the name of a triangle which has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles? Waterford.
Isosceles triangle.
Correct. Social studies. The OPM is the abbreviation for the location housing the offices of Jamaica's head of government. What does Waterford?
Office of the Prime Minister.
What does OPM mean? Correct. Television. In the animated series Powerpuff Girls, what is the name of the character with the signature color green? Waterford.
Buttercup.
Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this former heavyweight boxing champion. George Foreman. Bible knowledge. For how many pieces of silver was Joseph sold into Waterford?
30 pieces of silver.
Sold into slavery by his brothers? Answer is 20 pieces of silver. Incorrect. Science. Which part of the human eye works like the shutter of a camera? St. Andrew.
The eyelid.
The lens.
Incorrect. That would be the iris. English language. Does the word admonish mean to praise, worship, or reprimand?
Recommend.
The bell came first. It would be reprimand. Music. The Melody Makers were the accompanying group for which Jamaican artiste? Ziggy Marley. General knowledge. What is the specific name for an active volcano that is not currently erupting but is supposed to erupt again? Waterford.
Dormant.
Correct. Local affairs. Who is Jamaica's political ombudsman? Donna Parchment Brown. Mathematics. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with one side measuring 5 centimeters and the other side measuring 3 times the size of the first? St. Andrew Prep?
35 centimeters.
Incorrect. 40 centimeters. Social studies. Which Jamaican Prime Minister was born in the United States? Waterford.
Edward Seaga.
Correct. Bible knowledge. And that is the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match. The final scores are Waterford Primary on 24 points, and St. Andrew Prep on 14 points. So congratulations to Waterford Primary and well tried to St. Andrew Prep. So we'll double check those scores and be back after this.